What's going on, boys?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Make tops.
You make tops out of magnets.
Jacob made it, no one else did.
And can I see what you're doing here? What are you making your top do?
I need to remind you.
Oh, it makes it fall over, doesn't it?
Oh,
Look at that.
I guess it's picking up the magnetic ball from under the desk.
Yeah, from under the desk. And you're making it spin.
Yeah.
Very nice. Oh, can you get it going? You just had it going. Let's see if you can get it going. There we go. How are you making that move?
The magnetic.
The magnetics.
Magnetic force.
It is. Let's see. Get it going. Go. Oh, you had it going a minute ago.
Miss Walker. Oh no.
Nice. Whoa, way to get it spinning.